Amazingly Smart Animals, written by Young Learners Curriculum, Level A1. Dolphins live in groups called pods. They talk with whistles and clicks. Each dolphin has a special sound, like a name. They use sea sponges to protect their noses. Some dolphins help fishermen catch fish. Elephants remember places and people for years. They live in big families and stay together. If one is hurt, the others help. They use their trunks to eat, drink, and play. Elephants also feel sad when a friend dies. Octopuses have 8 arms. They can open jars and escape tanks. They change color to hide from danger. They collect shiny things for their homes. Octopuses are shy, but love to explore. Crows use sticks to get food. They drop nuts on roads for cars to crack. Crows solve puzzles and plan ahead. They can remember people's faces. They also work together in groups. Dogs understand words and feelings. They help people who are sick or in danger. Dogs stay close when someone is sad. They can learn the names of many toys. Dogs are loving, loyal, and smart. Animals are smart in different ways. Some remember things for a long time. Some use tools or solve problems. Others help friends or work in teams. Being smart helps animals live and stay safe.